Sold goods to Mr. A on credit rupees 10,000 on March 15, 2015. We have to pass accounting entry. So let's go step by step. Step 1. Determine the two accounts involved in the transaction. See, I'm selling goods and Mr. A is actually receiving the benefit because he is not making the payment now. Okay. So the two aspects involved in this account or two accounts involved in this transaction are Mr. A's account. Why Mr. A's account? Because he is receiving the benefit, and what happens on the other side, my goods are going out, and when goods goes out, I'll recognize them through sales account. So the two accounts involved in this transactions are Mr. A account and sales account. Then we'll go to step 2. We have to classify the accounts under personal, real and nominal. Mr. A is a person, so that account would come under personal account classification, whereas sales comes under real account classification because the goods are going in or coming in or going out. Okay. Then step 3, we have to find out the rules of debit and credit. Personal account says debit the receiver of benefit. Debit the receiver of benefit, whereas real account says debit what comes in but credit what goes out. Here your goods are going out and that is recognized through sales. So credit what goes out, that's the rule under real account. Then step 4, identify which account should be debited and credited. Mr. A is the receiver of the benefit and personal account says debit the receiver of benefit. So Mr. A account should be debited, and credit what goes out, goods are going out and it is recognized in the form of sales. So credit what goes out, sales got to be recognized, right? So sales account credit. Fine. So this is the sequence. Now we'll go to the journal. We'll capture the date of the transaction. It is 15th March 2015. Debit, which account got to be debited? Mr. A's account got to be debited, and what is the value? It is 10,000. Then which account should be credited? We know sales account got to be credited, right? So to sales account, and what's the amount? It is 10,000, and we have to give the narration being goods sold on credit to Mr. A.
Are you just a beginner in accounting? Are you struggling in understanding basic accounting concepts and techniques like double entry system, rules for debit and credit, journalizing process, ledgers, trial balance, rectification of errors, bank reconciliation statements, final accounts, partnership accounting, company accounting? Then this course is for you. Accounting Basics, a complete study. Explore and enroll now at the most affordable price with lifetime access. See you inside the course.